Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the issue when fast charging isn't working with your ZTE Blade V70 Vita smartphone. So, if the fast charging isn't working for your device, then first of all check the cable and the charging brick for any visible damage on them or compatibility. So it's better, and it's basically the best option if you use the original charging cable and the charging block with your smartphone. And make sure that if you're not using an original one, then just make sure that your AC adapter is supplying your device with at least 22.5 watts of power, as this is the minimum required for your device to fast charge. Then make sure that your USB-C port is clean and not clogged with anything, and if you see any cloggage in here, then use either a soft brush or any non-metallic or non-conductive tool to clean the USB-C port and remove any debris that could possibly got stuck in there. Also check your smartphone with another fast charger or maybe another outlet, even maybe it's the outlet issue, and to make sure everything works well this time, go to settings, then in battery try disabling in battery health, go to battery protection and disable battery protection, set the basic value here, and just to make sure that everything goes fine and there is no software issue with our smartphone, go to system update, make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi, and check if your software is up to date. And if it's not, if you have an available update to install, then take your time and install the most recent software version for your smartphone. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.